Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If the following figure represents 0.32, what is the result of the given problem? So let's just count the number of boxes. In each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes are there. And such 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows are there. 10 rows containing 10 boxes each. Therefore, total number of boxes will be 10 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 100. So there are 100 boxes, and this shaded region is 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 31, 32. Shaded region is 32 boxes. Shaded region in first diagram is equal to 32 boxes. Therefore, 32 by 100 is equal to 0.32. So, first figure is representing 0.32. That is this fraction converted to decimal. Now let's look at this box. This box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rows are filled. Therefore 90 plus 1. So 91 minus, in this second box 2 rows are filled. That means 2 into 10 is 20. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 27. So the subtraction of boxes is representing this subtraction, 91 minus 27, which is equal to 64. So this subtraction, therefore this subtraction represents, that's equal to 64 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.64. So answer is option C.